then, hobbyists. When the RC Elf very kindly donated a Tamiya Brat to the channel, I was not too sure how long it would take to get this on the road. Luckily, the chief engineer likes the safety of hiding in his workshop and embraced the project. It wasn't long before he had the front arms on. He was surprised though that the screw bags had no logic to them. But as they were all quality parts, it was at least nice to work with them. Suddenly, as if by magic, the chassis was together and it started looking like an RC car. This Tamiya Brat has been set up with the high-speed pinion and gearing, and it's also been fitted with a sports-tuned motor. What does let this kit down though is the steering arms, as they are a little flimsy. The same can also be said about the shell mounts. The wheels look good and the shocks are good for what they are, and with the shell, it has been painted with PS13 shimmering gold. This colour really suits it, especially with the decals added. The camera does not do the paint the justice it deserves, as it looks more yellow here, but in natural light the gold does shimmer. I will be doing the hardshell body myself, but currently my to-do list is longer than the list of T's and C's that you ignore when you sign up for a new online account. Anyway, we were looking for a great location to film the new Tamiya Brat. We couldn't find one, so here it is outside of an abandoned pub.
like the brakes jammed on.
How's the lens?
Oh,
So you don't miss out on further videos and similar nonsense, please like, feel free to comment, definitely subscribe, and press that bell-shaped thingy to be woken up at all hours for further content. But for now, that's your lot.